Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Cinnamoroll Popsicle. So let's get started. To draw this cute popsicle, let's first start by drawing a curve for the top of Cinnamoroll's head. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve. Bring it down. Just like that. And then from there we're going to start to draw the ears. I'm going to come out about right here, and so just remember, because this is a popsicle, we're not going to make the ears too long. So I'm going to bring this down, and we're just going to work on this side first, and we're just going to round it off and bring it into, say, about right there. So let's do the same thing on this side. Nice and round, and then I'll just bring a point across just so I know approximately how far. So let's say about right here, just like the other side, approximate. And I'm going to go ahead and just round this off just like the other side and bring it in there. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to come right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this slightly curved line. I just want everything to be kind of nice and soft. So let's go ahead and bring this down a little bit more, and then about right here I'll round it off. And same thing here. I'm going to start to round it off and connect at the bottom. Straight and connect. There. So it depends on how many flavors you want, and you can bring it down lower or shorter. It's all up to you. From there, now that we have this basic shape in, let's come back in and make this Cinnamoroll. So about right, let's see here, towards the top, about right here, underneath this point, right here where the ears are, I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to start and draw an oval for the eyes. So same thing on the other side, about right here. This is nice and wide. There. So I have my two ovals in. I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw the mouth. So about right here, I'm just going to wiggle the shape. So it's like a very flattened out W towards the center. And same thing. So come towards the center and then round it off again. There. Then from there, that is, oh, now we, for the flavors, I'm just going to use my markers when I color to separate the colors instead of the black Sharpie. I don't want the harsh line. So I'm going to come down here, and we're going to draw the popsicle stick. So this is about my center. So now that I know where my center is, I'll come out on both sides about right there and draw my stick. So just draw a straight line. I'm going to angle a tiny bit, actually. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker towards the bottom and then round it off. And connect. There. So we got our stick in. And then from there, let's see, I'm going to draw a heart right in the center, since I need to put a heart to make this my Draw So Cute Cinnamoroll Popsicle on the stick. And that is pretty much it, except, you know what, I have a heart there, right? But you know what, I love popsicles, and hopefully you do too. So I'll just draw some hearts here and there, just to spruce this drawing up. So that is pretty much it, and so I'm going to come in here and just color it in for you. So they're all done. I really hope you love the Cinnamoroll Popsicle and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.